What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So most of y'all that recently started following my channel, or this is probably y'all's first video on my channel, I just want to let y'all know I am an aviation painter, and if y'all need help with any type of paint corrections, detailing, anything whatsoever, y'all can always hit up my line right here on 903-721-0348. Okay, but besides that, we do have this beautiful Bonanza. And I am starting the intro kind of early, or actually late, my bad. I'm starting it really late because we just finished this aircraft. Alright guys, so this is a sneak peek on the RV7 we do have in the hangar, as well with a new Keen Air 90 that just arrived, and I have another special video for y'all so y'all can watch. Just stay tuned for more videos.